Good morning, it's 7 AM and we're just getting ready to go ride to 3 or 4 different locations, I think, to get stamps. One of them being the BRP factory, so I'm a little bit excited about that, but mostly I'm just looking forward to riding out with others. One day, although I do love Bumblebee. When I get rich, I'll get me one of them. Big shout out for Penny for buying me yet another coffee. You naughty girl, you, but thank you very much. It's very much appreciated. If anyone would like to buy me a coffee, then go on the link in my description and in my bio, and you can do so. I think today it's going to be an iced one. Probably, but if you want to have a look, be my guest.
So you got, oh, you can actually see. Isn't that good? I'm not touching your arm.
The gang's all here, ready to entertain you. I'm a very strange Teletubby. It slipped. Bikes parked in this car park have hats on their bike, and we've decided that we want one too, so we're going to try and go and get one. Oh no, there's a shop. This could be very dangerous. The hats are all gone, but I'd give by a t-shirt.
I might have the height.
We've got a Can-Am e-bike, some little go-karts. My Bumblebee's like a go-kart, but not quite that low to the ground. That's what I call a coffee machine.
Ouais, mais si c'est pas ça qui a fait que.
Look at this for a skidoo. How times have changed. I'm thinking my next holiday might have to be somewhere where snow. Canada or Alaska. Just so I can have a go on one of these. They've even got a Can-Am or BRP fire truck. I've got one stamp. I'm going to go and get the other one now. So this is our second stop. Entry isn't included. So lots of us aren't paying. Anyway, there's riding to be done. So the BRP Grossglockner challenge costs somewhere between 168 and 190-ish pounds. I can't remember. It includes food for 3 nights. It included lunch today and entry to the BRP factory. It doesn't include entry to this second stop. That's okay, I came here for my stamp and that's what I got. Let's go ride some more. Of course, it also includes a little goodie bag that I got yesterday. And something else I was going to say, and I've forgotten already. Oh yeah, the pass to the Grossglockner. That's the important bit. That's what we're mostly here for. And now it's time for waterproofs. Our third and final stop, and it is stunning. It was stunning riding up here with a river with all waterfalls. I didn't have my GoPro on at that point, but I'll try and get it on the way back. I'll have to spin it round behind me. See, that's where I need a 360, isn't it? But I haven't got any camera at all at the moment. I'm borrowing Alison's GoPro, so thank you, Alison. I'm also thinking that if I have any chance of riding Grossglockner tomorrow, then I'm not going to be able to go out for the meal tonight. But that's fine. I think I just need to get back from here and crash into bed. Look how clear this is. Dave thinks we're nutters, but we're not. Well, probably are, but... That is nice. Liz just said to me to move my bike down by the lake so we can get a photo of the F3 and the Ryker next to each other, which of course I love because my F3 envy. And I have my helmet on my GoPro stick and it bent forward. So guess what? Another one's bit in the dust. Oh! honestly, you seriously can make this shit up. It's my life. We're riding along and something's just flown in my helmet and I can't get it out. So I've managed to take my helmet off and now my helmet is stuck on my earring. I've tried to bib Lynn, she's gone on ahead. I'm stuck here with my helmet on my earring. Oh God! I can't get it off. Right, one-handed. Oh. Lynn came back to look for me. Emergency over.